This rainforest is over 130 million
30
years
juta tahun.
old, older than the dinosaurs and way older than the Amazon. It's
Jauh
home
juga dia naik ke atas ya. Bukit Terisik. Titiwangsa itu nama jajaran pegunungan, itu namanya Titiwangsa.
Get wet. And this was not at all what I expected. The driver was intentionally saturating us.
sengaja
We
digoyang-goyang.
had so much fun, and I highly recommend this. We had
Tigers, like panthers, monkeys, elephants.
Astaga, gede banget itu kodok-kodok.
Except giant ants, spiders, the bats and toad we shared our cave with, and the leeches.
Iya,
hanging off my
pacat
ankles.
tuh.
I paid 280
Lintah
ringgit
pacat.
or 113.
It's a kind of local fruit to the
Duku.
jungle. Of that second. It's got like a peel like an orange.
It's good.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Enak lah.
Really sweet.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Oke teman-teman semua, kembali lagi di Indoriek TV. Masih bersama saya Bang Anton dan
Resi yang satu cerita.
mantap.
Indoriek TV.
Nah, kalau kemarin kita sudah lihat gua tertua di Malaysia ya, di dunia malah ya,
Di dunia.
yang ada di Malaysia. Nah, sekarang kita lihat lagi, ternyata hutan yang paling tua itu ada di Malaysia. Mengalahkan hutan Amazon. Hutan ini nih, hutan rainforest ya, hutan hujan ya. Aku juga baru tahu dan kamu juga belum tahu kan? Kita lihat deh. Ini ada video-video tentang reaksi-reaksi orang asing yang pertama kali lihat juga. Kita lihat ini seperti apa taman negara itu ya. Yuk kita lihat. Indoriek.
Did you know there's a rainforest older than the Amazon?
Tuh.
In Malaysia, welcome to Taman Negara. This rainforest is over 130 million
30
years
juta tahun.
old, older than the dinosaurs and way older than the Amazon. It's home to more than 14,000 plant species, 250 bird species, and 200 mammal species, including the elusive Malayan tiger, Asian elephant, and Malayan tapir. And towering above the canopy is the tualang tree, one of the tallest tropical trees on Earth,
Oh.
reaching up to 88 meters.
88 meter.
Some parts of the forest are nearly inaccessible. It can take days of trekking to reach the
bisa
deeper zones.
dilalui.
Deep
Iya,
inside,
itu kan taman
indigenous
jadinya.
Orang Asli tribes still live traditional jungle
Bukan taman
lifestyles,
sih, dijadikan kayak hutan lindung kayak gitu.
preserving their ancient culture. Taman Negara is wild,
Taman
remote,
Negara.
and one of Malaysia's greatest hidden wonders.
Taman negara.
Tamannya negara.
Jadi itu memang dilindungi banget itu. Masih banyak spesies yang masih ada dalam sana kan. Itunya juga lebih tua dari Amazon. Lebih tua dari dinosaurs malahan.
Iya sih.
130
Berapa gila?
130 juta tahun.
Spend the day with us in a 130 million year old rainforest.
Banyak yang kesana
We're
ternyata.
currently in Taman Negara, which is about a 3 to 4 hour drive from Kuala Lumpur. We're only here for 2 nights and 1 day, so we're trying to fit in as much as we possibly can. The first thing we
Pahang.
decided to do was go on a little hike. Actually, it was not little at all. It took nearly 2.5
Pacat.
hours to do this because one of the paths was closed. But yeah, when you come here, there's actually a couple of packages that you can do for like tours. But we didn't really want to pay for a walk when we knew that we could just do it
Wah.
ourselves, and we didn't really want to go with the group because we just thought we'd rather go in our own time.
Ini kalau
That's our main
orang
priority.
bule suka banget kan masuk-masuk kayak gitu,
Ya.
masuk-masuk ke dalam hutan itu kan nggak ada tuh hutan hujan di sana, rainforest di sana.
Was to do the boat trip, which was also a little bit spenny, so we wanted to save for that. So yeah, after we done our morning hike, we then got on the boat. I volunteered to get the back, and I was like, oh shit, why am I going on? Like, clearly this is a rubbish seat because no one else wanted it. But actually, if you need a recommendation, 100% pick the back because everybody else was getting absolutely splashed by the waves, and I was dry chilling. And then also when we make stops, everybody else has to climb over each other. Also because we get off the boat and back on at the front, so of course when everybody's
serem
walking
banget.
over each other's
Yeah.
seats, they get mud on
Yeah.
them, but not me because I'm at the back. So anyways, going off on a tangent, the first stop we made
Ini
was
nih
to go and
yang
see this giant
apa,
tree, and honestly the
pohon yang
camera
paling
doesn't do
tinggi di
justice because
dunia.
it was huge. Then we took a very bumpy and wet ride to go and see a waterfall, which
Serem nih.
honestly wasn't really a waterfall, it was kind of just more like rapids in the river.
Yeah.
But still, nonetheless, it was very cool. Got back on the boat to go on another very bumpy and wet ride back to the hotel. Then it was dinner time, and there's normally a couple restaurants that you can choose from, but the river was so high that we literally couldn't access any of them. And if you know, you know, I had my ninth tom yum soup of the trip. Absolutely stunning, best way to end the day. Bye!
Jadi lebih banyak orang Europe kan ke sana.
Iya.
Kalau orang lokal mungkin sudah
Apa gitu loh
Ngapain
ke
masuk
situ
hutan gitu kan ya?
maksudnya.
sudah biasa gitu kan.
Ya aneh lagi.
Iya.
Taman Negara in Malaysia is one of the oldest tropical
Oldest tropical rainforest.
This is me, Marike. I'm living in Malaysia, and the aftermovie of our trip to Taman Negara.
Apa itu?
Honestly, in nature, I feel like I
Apa itu di
really
palanya tadi?
to myself, and I'm the full, the honest version of Marike. We stayed in a campsite in the forest of Taman Negara, and mostly other Malaysians.
Tapi juga banyak tuh orang lokal yang tadi.
Sih ya.
Tuh.
The
Tuh.
Malay tourists stayed there as
Banyak.
well. Not really other European tourists. Our
Tuh.
days were
Banyak juga.
different nature activities.
Mungkin orang
like
kota
riding
ya.
backcountry boats. I still can't get over the beauty of the scenery in Taman Negara. Honestly, we did the most random stuff there, embracing the inner child. But we found that rock
Apa itu?
Kicot.
like
Kali.
but
Oh, batu.
Oh batu. Kira
Kirain binatang
at
tadi.
some point, I think I just started to put like one more stones in my head. So, yeah, but this one was not properly
Aneh-aneh.
put on there, so I lost it. But that wasn't my fault.
Habis mandi sungai
To
mereka.
protect Taman Negara, you can only hike the mountain there by using those stairs.
Tapi enak ya, sudah dikasih tangga kayak gitu. Iya.
Untuk berjalan kaki.
The
Iya.
tour guide. The tour guide of Borges was Hamzi. Shout out Hamzi. I hope you're gonna see this video. Really, the stairs were not
Hiking.
enormous, so it wasn't that exhausting, but it was kind of annoying to go up there. But still great fun. Okay, so another highlight of the trip was our night safari.
We are lucky.
Malam seram juga.
You lucky. You luck, not my luck.
So we are lucky, and we are lucky because we don't have to go see them. We're gonna see
Ya malam ah.
tigers
Oh, dia nyari
and a black panther.
Gajah harimau.
I'm
Dapat
sure
ya?
we saw a tiger. It was a tiger. Eyes were huge, huge eyes. I saw it. No. Of course we were lucky and saw a tiger.
Malam
And
nyari
all in all, just recommend
harimau
go
ya.
for the Taman Negara trip if you are traveling Malaysia. Taman Negara.
Seneng banget ya orang-orang bule itu ya ke hutan ya. Di kampung pun juga hutan segitu banyak betul. Harimau juga masih ada.
Masih ada.
Masih ada harimau. Di dalam-dalamnya masih ada harimau. Harimau Sumatera.
Day 3 of travelling Taman Negara, let's go! And we're doing a half-day boat tour today. So we had some lunch, then hit the waves. We had a very relaxing 20 minutes before getting to the Orang Asli tribe. The way out to their village was pretty...
Ada kampung orang asli di dalamnya. Orang asli itu orang yang masih tinggal di dalam
situ.
hutan gitu ya.
Ada ya.
especially
Orang
in
asli
Crocs.
namanya ini.
Our guide gave us a quick talk on their way of life, including how they hunt and even how their romantic relationships work. Then one of the tribesmen showed us how they
Bikin
make a
apinya
fire
aja masih
using
pakai
just
itu.
wood, and before I knew it, it was my turn. This was
Masih
so much
pakai
harder than
kayu.
it, so I was completely puffed out by the end. Then we got to have a go shooting the blowpipes, which was cool. Charlie was a lot better than me. Then after a quick tour of the village, we were back on the boat. It started off nice and relaxing, but it quickly turned into a splash fest, and we were absolutely soaked. Shortly after we dropped back, it was dinner time. Got some chippies to start, and I got pattaya fried rice, and Charlie got vegetable kway tao. The full moon was out tonight, so we had a quick howl before getting some sweet treats. Day 3.
Nah mungkin ini ada yang bertanya juga ya, how did you book this? Nah gimana caranya booking ini?
Ke situ.
Just through our hostel when we arrive. Oh dia langsung dari hostelnya.
Berminat.
Aku sudah bosan kalau ke hutan mah.
Ya pasti nggak cocok kalau bawa anak kan.
Memang aku orang tempatnya di hutan dulu. Nampak orang hutan apa? Siamang. Oh, siamang. Tuh banyak juga orang lokal sebenarnya. Kayaknya orang-orang Kuala Lumpur itu, orang-orang kota yang jarang lihat hutan mungkin. Hiking.
Hiking kayaknya tuh.
Enak hutannya sudah dikasih tangga buat hiking, jadi nggak terlalu berat. Ini mainan aku masih kecil itu, sabun, jadi sabun itu. Daun sabun. Masih kecil dulu mainan. Siamang. Siamang ini masih banyak juga di kampung gue. Tapi jauh juga dia naik ke atas ya. Bukit Terisik.
Sharon tuh.
Titiwangsa itu nama jajaran pegunungan itu namanya Titiwangsa. Masih banyak hutan di Malaysia tuh. Nah, ini ada pertanyaan kamu tadi di komen nih.
Apa?
Taman negara ini sesuai ke bawa budak ya? Nah, awak nih agak-agak lah hutan tuh nak bawa budak-budak. Hutan ini tempat bahaya untuk anak-anak.
Iya.
Takut benda lain yang ikut balik nanti. Baik, ya kalau anaknya sudah agak besar sih nggak apa-apa untuk hiking juga kan. Dan itu pasti juga kan aman juga tuh karena sudah sering dilalui orang gitu maksudnya. Kalau treknya sudah sering dilalui orang itu biasanya kalau yang aneh-aneh halus-halus gitu biasanya sudah nggak ganggu-ganggu lagi.
Oh iya kah?
Iya ini kan sudah jadi itu tempat orang banyak lalu lalang.
We quit our jobs to travel the world, and this is day 40. Actually travelling from Kuala Lumpur to Taman Negara, where we're going to spend the next few nights in the jungle. Started off by being picked up in a minibus, and then we had our second bus, which is 3 hours, and then
malam
on
di dalam
riverboat for another 3 hours
hutan,
before we finally made it into the jungle. Views on this riverboat were like nothing we've ever seen before. We were both actually speechless, which is not like being shown if you know what it's. We got there, checked in, and then we headed out straight on a night trekking tour. Actually so good. So excited to be here. We quit our jobs to travel the world. and this is
Apa itu tadi? Entahlah apa itu tadi.
Ulat ya?
Bukan kayak kaki 1000 kayak gitu kayaknya. Aneh ya mereka ya ngeliatin kayak gitu.
Banyak.
Some days you've just got to use a dangerous
Itu tuh
weapon,
apa?
right? Taman Negara National Park
Apa
is
namanya
where it
itu?
was
Sumpit
at
apa ya?
today. Recognised as the world's oldest rainforest, we went on a hike in the morning, spotting Malaysia's
Bunga
national
Sepatu.
flower on our way up the hill. Note how refreshed we look in this early morning shot. That might change soon. Our tour guide was really knowledgeable about the flora and fauna. He's a local and he taught us so much, including what on earth these giant trees can be used for. So at the outset it looks like a tree, also could be used for camping, look how big the space is, and also for tapping on if you happen to get lost in the bush and the echo all around. There are a lot of steps going up.
Ini kalau nggak ada pemandunya orang masuk-masuk ke dalam hutan tuh bisa sesat juga.
Sesat.
And every time I thought, oh, we're nearly there, it was nope, here's another go. And hiking up steps is really
Tuh
easy,
enak
but
langsung
my
pakai
God, it was
tangga
hot.
gitu.
I took off the
Hiking.
beaten path and
Ini
went
kadang
up through the
Yeah.
natural approach. Daryl stayed on the steps, and this is a moment of me feeling very proud of myself as I powered ahead of the guide even. Viewpoint number 1 gave us views over the river, and we made our way further up the top, bypassing some ants until we reached the summit. It was here that we should have been able to see a really high mountain in the background, but unfortunately it was behind some cloud today. To say that we were exhausted by the stage would be an understatement, but we came back down and got ready for some lunch. And on the way we met Harry, rocking his Highlanders top. Harry from Wales, shout out to you. Then we're on to adventure number 2, which was a rapids boat up the river on our way
Cuman
to
ini nggak
an
ada
indigenous village.
ombak-ombak yang
We
kayak
learned about their
batu-batu
weaponry,
itu.
their food, how they keep themselves safe and healthy, and then it was a chance for demonstration. So this is a blow dart,
Oh, ini.
and
Udah tiup
the
tuh, sumpit
first
itu.
or second person to volunteer to have a go was Daryl, after the demonstration of course, who managed to shoot that dart straight into this neck of this poor innocent teddy bear. What a shot. After that education, it was time to get back in the boat, and we just got told, are you ready to get wet? And this was not at all what I expected. The driver was intentionally saturating us.
sengaja
We had
digoyang-goyang.
so much fun, and I highly recommend this. We had what is becoming a common
Supaya
story. We had a
basah.
chance to meet an amazing person. This is Ava. She's from Belgium. She also is a camper van aficionado, traveling widely, and has invited us at some point to come and stay with her when we head to Belgium, which we definitely will in 2027. See you then.
Senang betul ya orang-orang bule itu gitu ya. Sederhana banget padahal ya. Ke dalam hutan, ke kampung orang asli naik boat.
Ya maksud sama halnya kita keluar negeri lihat salju.
Iya, sama aja ya.
Gitu kan.
Iya betul-betul.
Karena nggak ada.
Karena nggak ada di sana ya. Kita ngeliat salju juga nggak ada di sini kan. Jadi wah
Iya,
mereka sudah biasa
apalagi
aja.
apa sih?
Iya. we met a tribe deep in the jungle. Tapi memang sudah disiapkan untuk wisatawan turis ya.
Ya.
Ya, sudah jadi memang apa? Kayak destinasinya ke sini. Kerjaannya memang gitu. Orang asli kampung.
Banyak tamu dia.
Iya, tapi kalau orang asli itu memang jarang ke kota loh katanya. Memang tinggalnya di hutan-hutan gitu. Cuman dia sudah pakai baju yang kayak
kalau saya yang tutup.
Ya.
This might be one of the coolest things I've ever done. I just spent 2 days hiking through Taman Negara National Park, the second oldest rainforest in the world, located in the heart of Malaysia. After arriving and spending the night in Kuala Tahan, I rode an hour upriver before heading into the jungle. We walked around 5 hours and roughly 10 kilometers a day. The terrain wasn't too difficult for me. I've done more challenging hikes in New Zealand, but the recent rainfall meant the track was very muddy and slippery in sections. Plus, the humidity was just indescribable, immediately drenched in sweat for the whole journey. We climbed over and under many fallen trees knocked down by storms or elephants, and trenched through boggy creeks. Home for the night was an incredible limestone cave, which usually houses elephants, though they tend to stay away when humans light fires. Our tour guide Appa cooked us vegetable soup, chicken curry and rice for dinner. We played some cards before bed. Taman Negara is home to incredible wildlife. Tigers, black panthers, monkeys, elephants.
Astaga, gede banget itu kodok.
Except giant ants, spiders, the bats and toad we shared our cave with, and the leeches.
Pacat tuh.
I paid 280 ringgit or 113 New Zealand dollars for this trip, which included food and water, the boat trip to and from, and of course our wonderful guide Appa. Appa has worked as a guide for 2.5 years. In the peak season he does this trek twice a week, and another day trek as well. That's over 30 kilometers a week in the jungle. This was one of those experiences that was so physically challenging yet so spiritually rewarding. I feel so grateful to have had this experience.
Seneng banget ya. Dia merasa seperti menjadi Tarzan mungkin. Apa gimana ya? Menjadi apa? Bukan Tarzan apa ya?
Istrinya Tarzan yang bukan loh. Itu lo cewek.
Apa ya?
Siapa tuh?
Kebanyakan nonton film itu petualangan mungkin.
Iya mungkin dia kebanyakan nonton film petualangan di hutan.
Tapi di dalam gua tadi oke juga tuh, berani juga ya.
Tapi berani loh, itu banyak hewan kan itu.
Iya banyak hewan kodok. Mungkin ada
gede
ular.
Banget lagi itu.
Takut ular aja aku kalau dalam situ.
Takut hewan semua.
So it's called dukung.
Yeah, dukung.
Dukung, local fruit to the jungle. What's that second? It's got like a peel like an orange.
It's good.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Enak lah.
Really sweet.
Enak.
What's it taste like?
Tapi ada
like
yang
grape
asam
with an
itu.
orange texture.
Ada yang
like lychee.
Like
Lychee.
yeah.
Mirip leci.
So it's called dukung.
Kok jungle fruit? Itu bukan jungle fruit, itu banyak itu duku di sini mah. Oke, sudah tadi Taman Negara, baru lihat kita ya. Ternyata memang hutannya besar banget itu.
Ya.
Di jajaran Gunung Titiwangsa itu ya.
Dan coba bayang kalau nggak ada tangga itu, pasti ngos-ngosan
iya,
banget kan.
pasti berat treknya. Karena dibikin tangga itu karena sudah jadi national park kan, taman nasional. Jadi orang-orang bisa turis-turis bisa ke sana. Treknya juga sudah ditentukan, nggak sembarangan treknya. Kalau kita mau tempat-tempat lain pasti sesat juga di hutan itu ya. Orang-orang bule karena di sana nggak ada. Iya, jadi datang ke sana dan dibuat sudah proper kayak gitu, enak dikunjungi oleh wisatawan kan ya. Banyak juga orang lokal ternyata, jadi mungkin orang-orang kota aku rasa.
Ya mungkin kalau aku jadi orang bule juga antusias kan.
Antusias, excited kan pasti. Oke guys, nanti kita lihat lagi video-video menarik tentang Malaysia. Jadi stay tune terus di Indorek TV. Dan terima kasih untuk teman-teman yang sudah menonton video ini dari awal sampai akhir. Terima kasih juga untuk teman-teman yang sudah support dan donasi melalui QR Code di video ini. Dan untuk teman-teman yang belum subscribe dulu. Jangan lupa juga di like, di share, dibagikan video ini ke teman-teman kalian, ke sosial media kalian juga boleh. Mohon maaf kalau kami berdua ada salah-salah kata dan salah-salah ucap. Sampai ketemu lagi di video selanjutnya. Akhir kata, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye-bye.